and you get a chart that looks something like this. Hello, this week we're going to make a diverging lollipop chart using empty cars. So first we need to create our subsets of data in the empty cars data set. So under the new column car name, we're going to choose the row names in empty cars, which so happens to be the car model. We want to make a normalized MPG, so therefore we're going to do another column called MPGZ, round MPG minus the mean of MPG over the standard deviation of MPG. Make sure you add that 2 there. We're going to make an MPG type with an if-else statement. So if the MPG is less than 0, it goes below. If it is above 0, it goes above 0. And will be titled below and above respectively. We're going to order this on our chart by MPGZ, so that's how we can sort it in our data. And then we're going to do a factor because we want to convert this to a factor to retain the sorted order in our plot. So we're going to factor by car name, levels by car name. Make sure you do all of this before you jump into ggplot. Using ggplot and the data MT cars, our aesthetic is going to be the X is car name, Y is the normalized MPG, and the label is going to be the normalized MPG. Since this is a lollipop chart, we need a point chart layer. So geom point, stat identity, filling it black, so our dots are going to be black, and the size of each point is going to be 6. Now we're going to do another layer called geom segment, our Y of 0, our X of car name, the Y ends up at MPGZ, the X ends up at car name. We're going to color it black. We're going to do the coloring of the text as white, size 2. Our labels are going to be titled Diverging Lollipop Chart and a subtitle as such. And our Y limit is going to be minus 2.5 to 2.5. Coordinate flip to turn it on its side. And you get a chart that looks something like this. So it shows its distance, gives you the value in each dot, so you can see the normalized MPG of a Fiat 128 of 2.04, and so on and so forth, based on its orientation above and below the normalized data. So that's how you make a diverging lollipop chart. Stay tuned next week for a diverging dot plot.